Hello everyone, so in today's class we are going to learn how to make clay pond. So obviously for making clay pond we need clay. Here I am using air dry clay and with the help of pen I will flatten this. Now keep it aside and make different size of clay balls. And now take that clay base which we left for settling and stick all those clay balls to it. And for sticking this you don't need even a gum, cause clays are sticky in nature, they can stick by themselves. After sticking all balls, our pond will look like this. Now again keep it aside. Let's make our pond look more beautiful by adding all those natural elements. And here I will teach you two methods of making duck. You can choose any one. First method is very simple, as you can see in the video. Just use your finger to give this a nice shape. And now for the mouth, or you can say beak, just take small amount of clay and give it a triangular shape and stick this to the body. And for another method, take small amount of clay. This is also very easy. Just use your finger to give that duck's body shape. Do exactly the way as I am doing in the video. Now it's time to paint our pond. To get that perfect sky blue shade, we have to add blue in our white acrylic color. And I will mix this too until I get that perfect shade. Now use this to paint inner part of the pond. Again keep it aside for settling up. Meanwhile we can make our leaves. Okay, can you guess which flower leaves I am making here? It's pretty simple. Lotus. Cause comparing to land flowers, they are very less aquatic flowers. And we all know that lotus leaves are in heart shape. Now just add details to make it look more realistic. And for stem, take the clay and roll it out with the help of your hand. And stick this to the leaf. And repeat the same process with other leaf. Now for making flower, we need petals, right? So take the small amount of clay and give this a teardrop shape, and take the small brush and with the help of its back, press it over it, and your petal is ready. Now stick all the petals as I am showing in the video. Now for the middle part of the flower, which is called seed pod. You can even skip this, but here I am making it to give our flower more realistic look. Now it's time to paint our all elements. Here I will use sap green to paint our leaves. You can use even any green which is available to you. And for the duck, here I am using lemon yellow. You can even use any yellow which is available to you. Now keep your all elements aside for drying up and paint your pond surrounding rock. And we all know that rocks are found in grey color. And if you already have grey color, then it's fantastic. But if you don't, let me tell you how to make it. Mix white and black to make grey. Increase white paint if you want that light grey shade, or increase black to get that dark grey shade. Now with the help of glue, stick all the elements in the pond. And that's it, your beautiful pond is ready. You can use this as a gift, or you can use this as a decorative piece. Another option, you can even sell this. That is it for today. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.